What? You're not still filming, are you?
Yeah.
Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, here's an extra welcome to you. Please consider subscribing and dropping a like. It really does mean a lot to me. In today's video, I am going to be baking some chocolate chip cookies by Cupcake Jemma'S. If you've not seen her, she is a YouTuber on here. I was kindly sent this by my boyfriend's parents. We're going to bake this together actually. I mean my boyfriend, nice parents. So what you get in here, first off, let's look at the packaging. How cute is this? If I can take it off, you get the recipe card and the list of ingredients that you need, which has also included the QR code. So if you scan this, it will take you to her YouTube channel and you can follow her recipe and instructions to the T. You get sugar mix, my favourite part, the chocolate chip cookies, and you get the flour. I don't know how I'm gonna resist these chocolate chip cookies. There are so many in here. I actually think this is gonna make loads, just judging. I mean, look at the size of the packet. This is massive. Let's have a look at the recipe card. It says you need butter. So you need 190 grams of chopped butter, and then you need 2 eggs as well. I think I've got those things. I'll have to check. There might be a bit of a pause between this video where I have to go to the shop, but we'll see. So obviously I won't show you the delivery note, but I have got it here. And basically, oh, did I even see how many cookies it makes? So it makes 12 cookies in total. And I'm a little shocked about how much it costs, to be fair. I think Mark's mum and dad are just far too nice. But it costs £21 for 12 cookies. Take that as you will. That's a little pricey for me personally. Like, I don't think I'd go out and buy this for myself, but they might be the nicest cookies. We don't know yet, so I'm gonna bake them and I will let you know. Okay, so we're back in the kitchen and I have got the ingredients ready. So yeah, I've got my eggs, got my butter. I need to pull out my scales, I need to pull out my spoons. Let's get going. That's so nice. Do you want some? Okay. Okay, so it's now the next day. My cookie balls have been in the freezer for about 24 hours. They were only meant to be in for about 3 to 5 or like overnight, it said, but I've just been so busy, I've just not got around to doing them. So they are completely frozen and stuck in this tub. I think I'm going to leave them in there for a little bit longer. Not in the freezer though, but just in the tub. Let them thaw a bit and then I'm going to pop them on a tray, bung them in the oven, and yeah, I need to look at the card and see how long they have to be in there for. Hopefully not too long, because I've just opened it and I'd like a little treat. So let's see how it goes. It had failed to occur to me that actually this, that I thought was just packaging, is actually the parchment paper. How good is that? I actually don't have any parchment paper, so I'm so glad that they actually included that in with it. Still solid. I'm gonna have to get a knife out. Right. Oh, I'm so excited. Look how good they are. I don't know if you can see those very well, but oh my god, they are way bigger than what I thought. There is 2 there that I think are going to be a bit squished, and I know who will be eating those. Yay! Can you see the cat? I'm just going to package up some cookies for my neighbours. I thought it might be nice just to send some over, so I'm just going to reuse this tub and send them across. Just look at these, aren't they massive? You could not turn these down. I can't wait to give them to them. What do you think, Puss? No? Yeah. Not a fan? So I've had some of my cookie and I've had some of my tea, and you know what? They are very nice. I can't wait to finish this off. I don't know if you can tell, but they are so big. They're lovely. The only thing I'd say is that you'd probably want to watch the video tutorial from Gemma, because I put them in for like 10 minutes extra than what it said, because they just didn't look cooked enough, and like I even poked it with a fork and it was still quite like gooey, so I thought give it a bit extra. And then we got them out, put them on the side, and then next thing I know they've like hardened up, and I've done them for too long basically. They are solid. But I gave one to my neighbour and she said it was really nice, and then I thought I'd ask her, do you think it's worth £21? And as you can probably guess, her reaction was no. So I mean, I think personally if I was going to give it as a gift, I think it's a really nice idea, especially as we've never seen anything like this before. We were really happy when it came through the door, so I think, yeah, definitely give it as a present if you've got the money to spend £21 on 12 cookies. But would I go out my way to buy this for myself? Probably not. I think you can get cookies that are equally as nice even from like Tesco or Aldi, or even just make them yourself. To be honest, if you did follow another recipe and bought your own ingredients from scratch, they probably will turn out a bit softer. And do they need to be this big? Probably not. I wish I had an idea that they were going to be this large, because I probably would have just halved the balls. As you saw, we put, I think it was 100 grams per ball in, so half them, you're going to get half the size, but you know what, it's probably better for us. So I've just had some more, and you know what, it's actually really gooey the further you go in. So you've got that combination of like really crunchy and really gooey in the middle. So do you know what, I take back what I said about it being overdone. It's actually perfect. You've got that different combination going on. And I didn't mention it before, just dropped chocolate on the sofa. It has got milk chocolate and dark chocolate, so you've got the different flavours going on. But I think if I was going to choose another one, I'd probably go for milk chocolate, just for preference, because I do like milk chocolate. But... So yeah, I'd just like to thank my boyfriend's parents for sending us this kit. I think it's well worth it just for the experience and actually getting to have something really tasty at the end of it. I'll leave a link down below for anyone that would like to check it out. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend. We're just about to chill out, and yeah, see you next time.